Hey, Peacher. So we are back on track. This is me on New Year's Eve actually heading to church, jamming to my gospel music because you know how it gets down. But I want to go ahead and share my day with you as I led into the new year so you can go ahead and see how it went. But pretty much just started the day, like I said, heading to church, getting ready to have a good time. And yeah, so after church was over, I decided it was time to take this hair out because I've had this hair in for so long. So I was ready to go ahead and take it out. After I got my hair taken out, my friend was so gracious to braid it down for me. And then I headed over to the next technician for my lashes. But first, I was greeted with food, y'all. Could you imagine you're going to get your lashes done and then you walk in and there's food that you can consume? I was so excited, y'all. And here was my journey.
Hey guys, so I am at Meraki Glam Studios and I'm going to get my pre-2024 lashes done. Yes, I'm so excited. So I'll show you guys bits and pieces of me getting it done and what it's actually like. These are going to be individual clusters that I'll be getting on my eye. So tune in and yeah.
So the process started out with her brushing on what looks like mascara, but it was actually some sort of eye glue. It wasn't uncomfortable at all. This process for most people, sometimes they get nervous or they get scared about it. I say the main thing is just focusing on keeping your eye open. So my only issue is I have a tendency to blink sometimes, like a lot. So that can be a little bit of a downfall. So just kind of prepare your mindset to not blink because it's so easy to want to blink a lot. But yeah, this is her applying the actual clusters and she applies them underneath my eye. I personally love it because to me it gives a more natural look. And to be honest, guys, who's actually going to be standing underneath your eye to see if you have lashes there or not? So I really appreciated this professional strategy that she's using to apply them. It was very comfortable. It was pain-free. I didn't struggle at all. I was able to talk the whole time. My only thing, like I said for myself, was trying to keep my eyes open because I am an avid blinker. Like, okay. I don't know why I blink so much. But it was honestly a very quick, pain-free process. This must have been me blinking again, y'all, because you can see in the corner of my eye for a second there, it kind of got stuck to the bottom. And this is because I'm blinking literally every second. Like I couldn't hold my eyes together. I don't know what was wrong with me, but trying to hold it together was insane for me. I just kept blinking. My eye kept getting lazy, but yeah. So here's the finished product, guys. And then to make it even better, she was so gracious enough to install this wet lace wig for me. It's called Swiss Lace Wig. And this is by the company Cloud9. And it looks like their brand is Wet Lace. It's a hairline illusion lace wig. And this is the wig that I wanted to go into for New Year's. Believe it or not, my local beauty hair store was actually having this wig sale and I was able to capture this wig for $10, so it was definitely a good buy. And I figured it would be suitable to have a cute little hairstyle going into the new year. So here it is. Boom. It came out really nice. And I decided to go with my outfit that I purchased when I was in Dubai. I wanted to bring the new year kind of different, in a different kind of style. And it was really cute and fancy. So here we were at church, bringing in the new year with the Lord. Something that I pride myself in. I love being in the house of God on the new year. So on that tip, y'all, church was amazing. I felt so good to be able to bring in the new year. So to my subscribers and followers, happy new year. And I just wanted to go ahead and extend this prayer by Reverend Marcy Sharametta. As the dawn breaks on a new year, let us give thanks for all we hold dear, our health, our family, and our friends. Let us release our grudges, our anger, and our pains, for these are nothing but binding chains. Let us live each day in the most loving ways, the God-conscious way. Let us serve all who are in need, regardless of race, color, or creed. Let us keep God of our own understanding in our hearts and to chant God's name each day. Let us lead the world from darkness to light, from falsehood to truth, and from wrong to right. Let us remember that we are all one, embracing all, discriminating against none. May your year be filled with peace, prosperity, and love. May God's blessings shower upon you and bestow upon each of you a bright, healthy, and peaceful new year. It is definitely my pleasure to bring in the new year with all of my lovely subscribers. I wish you the best and most success, prosperity, health, and wellness this year. Bye, Peachers.